One thing that, I mean, it looked like to have addressed last night, they scored the goal. You saw Rice getting one after just 2 minutes, 3 different scorers as well. Now, a number of chances, or missed chances, had actually been the theme for Arsenal in recent weeks. Yes, they got the 3 goals, but they didn't create as many as the scoreline would actually suggest. Do you think they need to strengthen the forward line? Because they're going to need consistency in this area, aren't they?
Sorry. Yeah, I think the thing is that they won 3-0. I think that's the thing you look at. Buying in January as centre forward, you're buying someone here for the next 5 years. You're not buying someone for the next 6 months. It's going to be for the next 4 or 5 years. I don't think that fits. I go and buy Cunha. I go and get Cunha because I see that as an all-round package, where he can play there for the next 5 years. I think they got to wait for the centre forward. Don't rush into that. Again, if Liverpool's game in hand was now and they won it, they'd be near on 10 points behind. Do you panic attack? Do you have a panic up? Buy a centre forward for 70, 80 million pounds, give them massive wages, and you're not going to win the league this year. You might as well, keep your powder dry, hold back and go and get the right person in the summer. But they will need a centre forward in the summer. But I would go and get Cunha. I think Cunha suits Arsenal. I think he has that guy all about him. He's good in tight spaces. He can beat players. And when you're at Arsenal, most of the time you're playing against 10 at the back. At Wolves, teams have a go at you. But, I do like Cunha.